Good afternoon. Thank you very much, Chairperson, for the kind word of introduction. My name is Quang. I'm a lecturer from the Industrial College of Vietnam. I'm also a graduate student at Moscow State University of Civil Engineering, National Research University, Russian Federation. It is my pleasure to be here to speak in such a wonderful conference and share with you about a topic closer to my field of study, user why quartz as fry aggregator in concrete for hydraulic structure. The contents of report included the item presented in slide 2. As you all know, in Vietnam, natural river sand is a beautiful material that plays a key role in the construction industry for the manufacture of concrete. At present, the construction industry in Vietnam uses only natural river sand extracted from river and streamers used as fry aggregator for the production of concrete mixture or building material. However, the excessive exploitation of river sand for a long time in many localities, the whole of Vietnam has been living heavy consequences, and that is inadvertently derailing this natural resource shown in Figure 1. According to a report by the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment of Vietnam, Vietnam is at risk of running out of sand and having to import it within 10 years. In the context of the fact that natural river sand is gradually becoming a scarce resource in Vietnam at the present time, it is important to search for other alternative sources of raw material. The solution to this problem may be the use of natural white sand in the construction industry. Now we are going to look at material and method. Aggregators used in this result include causal aggregator is crushed granite rock from Galloy Quarry, Vietnam, with particle size ranging from 5 to 20 mm. Fry aggregator consider natural river sand and white quartz sand have granulometry. Compositions are presented in Table 1 and Figure 2A and B. Finally, ground quartz powder obtained by grinding white quartz sand within an average particle size of 5 to 95 micron was used as a microfueler. The study is sulfate-resistant Portland cement of company Lok Cement Vietnam. Supplementary cement material considered silica foam is Silica-Grit PP1 and fly of thermal power station Pha Vietnam. In the present study, silidioxide nanoparticle with an average particle size of 10 to 50 nanometers were synthesized from white sand by others. The properties of mineral additives are presented in Table 3. The methods used in this study are presented in the following slide. The composition of refined concrete mixture designed according to Vietnamese standard is given in Table 4. meter designation for concrete meter containing white sand in the amount of 40, 60, 80, and 100% by weight of fine aggregate. The composition of concrete meter are presented in table 5. After mixing, the workability of our flat concrete meter were tested, and concrete symbol submerged in flat water until the time of testing are presented in slide 7. To determine the density of the concrete structure after 28 days of hardening, concrete symbol was tested for the permeability of their structure to chloride ion. Method and procedures are presented as shown in figure 4 of slide. Now, I would like to turn to the research section and show here is some basic property of concrete in this study. In here, you can see value slope floor of the respective concrete meter containing white sand varied in the range of 620 to 670 mm. Wheel control symbol attained at 550 mm. Mechanical property of concrete as shown both in figure 5 and 6. Water absorption test results are presented in table 7. The rapid chloride penetrability test results are presented in figure 7, having been evaluated according to the limit value shown in table 8. As you can see, the water absorption and penetration of chloride ion of concrete decrease with increase in the proportion of white sand in concrete structure. Based on the result, it can be concluded that the zero of natural white sand as fine aggregate leads to increase in the density of concrete, which leads to a decrease in the water absorption of concrete, reduce the penetration rate of chloride ion, and accordingly increase resistance in aggressive environment. Research results confirm that natural white sand can be used as fine aggregate instead of river sand of underground concrete structure exposed to chloride environment. The list of references is presented in slide 13. Thank you for listening.